if you didn't see there, we got our fridge working. We got our fridge working again. Wow, it haven't worked in a couple years. Cameraman, my mom. And today we are going to be showing you what our new thing can do. So this is not a button. You gotta press ice type, and you just gotta scroll. I'm gonna show you crush first. Crush ice. Pretty much what you think. The next is
Show me your cup.
here's your cup, and you just gotta click on it one more time, and now it's cubes. They look pretty much the same.
You keep pressing.
Yeah. Yeah, these should change. Yeah. See, cubes. Next is water. There's no different types of water, right? It's just... Oh yeah, you can press it down here. Or you can also just press it here. And then... Whoops. Look at that little chap. Like, so cute. Then you're like, ooh, fresh water. And then you don't need to buy ice and then put it in the fridge so then it comes out. It's fresh refrigerator water. That was a mistake. Sorry. Mario. You always be a good boy. He's not dead. Oh, soaking wet. No, it is. I told you. He's a trooper. Go like 150 videos back, and you'll see that video. Probably 170. That's why you gotta watch my videos in order. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you please leave a like down below, and always remember to subscribe. Guys, this is for extra fun. We're gonna be putting hot water in our ice cubes. We're gonna see them melt. Let's start. Melt my iceling! That was fun.